What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. In today's video, what I want to show you how to do is how to make $2,500 per month without making videos here on YouTube. So the cool thing about this is you do not need to actually be in front of the camera. Nobody needs to see you, and in some cases nobody actually even needs to hear you. The cool thing about this is anybody, no matter where you're from, what your native language is, what you look like, how you feel, can start making money on YouTube. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So, we start here on YouTube, okay? Now, the nice thing about YouTube is you can create videos on just about anything, and I mean anything. Let me show you, okay? There's so many things you can do. Now, I'm going to give you an example of how you can make money first, and then I'll come back and I'll explain it in a little bit more detail, but I'll also add in kind of some ideas for you to get started. Now, what I did and what I've been doing for probably about 7 years is I've been creating YouTube videos, and this is not my channel, okay? Just so that you know, the 5 Best is not my channel, okay? It is a good channel, it's not mine. Now, I create videos on different products. And by creating those videos on those different products, I can then go and promote the products inside the description box, which is called affiliate marketing. Now, let me show you. This person has done this exact thing. So it's called the 5 Best, and they're rating the 5 best vacuum cleaners in 2020. And they have all the different vacuums, and they link to Amazon. If somebody clicks on that link and buys the product, they make money from the sale. Now, let me show you this. Okay, I'm gonna play the video, but I'm gonna shut off the sound. These are just images, a text overlay. Okay, another image, more text. Okay, we have another image. There will be a video somewhere right around here. Let's see if we can find the video. There's just a bunch of images. That's all it really is. Okay, all they do on their channel, and they get a lot of views. Okay, they get a lot of views. But what they do on their channel is they're just trying to explain the different vacuums, the different items. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Here's their channel right here. It's called the 5 Best. Best rowing machine 2020. 5 best laptops 2020. Best walkie-talkies. Best Sony TV. Best smartwatches. Best smartwatch. Best air purifier. Best mouse for Fortnite. All these different videos. And all they're doing is promoting the products on Amazon. Now here's how you do it. Now this is what you need. Okay, how do you compile a video? Because again, you're not going to create the video, or you're not going to actually be on video. Okay, you're not really going to make anything. What you're doing is you're going to compile a bunch of clips, a bunch of video clips, a bunch of images, some sounds, text. You're going to put it all together. Now I recommend you use Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. That's the one I like to use. It's very simple, and as long as you have a format that you follow, it works. So here's what I recommend you get. This is what you need. You should have 20 images, and it's not 20 images of each product. Okay, so let's say you do 5 Best. You're going to do 4 images for each product, but you're going to take images, you're going to zoom in, you're going to zoom out, you're going to just change it up a little bit, and you can go to the 5 Best, okay, right here on YouTube, and kind of see exactly what they're doing. Alright? Next thing, you want 8 video segments. If you can get a video of the exact product being used, awesome. That's what you want. However, if you can't get a video of the exact product, which you usually can find over on, let's say it's from Dyson or something, you can probably find somebody using a Dyson. You can get a little clip of them using it, and you can put it in your video, right? So just use small little segments. The next thing is I recommend 2 similar songs or tracks. I say this because if you have just one long song, it doesn't really cut it up very much. So if you can chop up the song, make it unique, and kind of put different clips and different pieces of the song together, that's where you kind of spice up your video. Now, if I wonder where do I get images, where do I get video segments, where do I get songs or tracks? 2 places I recommend. One is pexels.com. Okay, so I come here and I write clean or cleaning. Okay, they got a bunch of different photos of people cleaning. Okay, and I can take any of these photos. They have a bunch of different videos. I can take any of these videos. Okay? Let's say I want vacuuming because we're talking about vacuuming. Okay? Just put vacuum. And you see this person's vacuuming. Okay? Vacuuming. They're doing the exact same thing. There's another website out there as well. It's called Pixabay or Pixabay. You can see it right there. So I can type in vacuum, and I got all these different videos of people vacuuming. Are these videos or these are free images. There should be videos. Let's go type in videos. There we go. And then we got some videos. Okay? These ones I think are on iStock. But they got one video. Okay? So you can see there, you just put the different videos, put the different clips together. Now, you want more ways to get videos or images? Okay? Dyson vacuum cleaner. Okay? Type that in. There's some images. You can use a bunch of these different images. Okay? They got some videos you can use. If you're going to pull them, I'd pull them off of Dyson. Dyson's actual channel or their website. Because usually they don't care if you're trying to push their item. They usually don't care. If you're doing a review, you're usually okay with that. Alright? So just keep that in mind. I wouldn't pull it. If someone else is using the product on their YouTube channel, you need to make sure you are giving whoever credit. So if it comes off of, let's say, my channel and I'm using a vacuum, you'd credit Homemade Entrepreneur on YouTube. And so you just make sure you credit whoever put out the video. Now, the last thing and the most important thing is, how do you get paid? Because you're not really getting paid based on views. You're getting paid by promoting products on Amazon. Okay? So just like the 5 Best is doing right here, where they're promoting all these different products, you're going to do the exact same thing. So you'd come over here to Amazon.com, okay? Down at the very bottom, down here, it says become an affiliate. You're going to click on that button to become an affiliate. Once you do that, the next step is you come here and you're going to give you something. It's called the Amazon site stripe. It's this right here. So now, anytime I want to get a link to a product to potentially sell and make some money from, all I got to do is come to Amazon, come up here to my site stripe, click on text, and I can start making some money. Now, here's the cool thing. Let's say this is the one that you really like, and this is the one people buy. Let me show you. So right now, I believe it's 3%. You get 3% of whatever sells. So 798.95 times 0.03, that is 3%. So if one person bought this vacuum, you'd make $23.96. Now, if you made one sale a day, you'd make $719.05 at the end of the month by selling one vacuum once per day. So that's a simple thing that you need to understand, is the money adds up. Okay? Just look at this. Just look at the 5 Best. Now they have a decent amount of subscribers. Okay? It's not like they are brand new. They got a bunch of subscribers. Now, what you need to understand about them is that they put up multiple videos a day. Look at this. Just in the past day, 1, 2, 3. 2 days ago, 1, 2. 3 days ago, 1. 4 days ago, 1, 2. 5 days ago, 1. 6 days, 1, 2. Okay? They put up multiple videos a day. And they do this because they understand the more videos they do, the more money they could potentially make. They just create videos on different topics. Right? It's very simple. Now, if you have any questions on how to do this, just let me know. Okay? I can help you out. You know, this is something that I do. I don't do it on vacuums, you know, per se, but I do it on, you know, a bunch of different stuff, very similar to the way they're doing this. But let me show you something else. Okay? It's not just vacuums. Best products 2020. Okay? If I just come here, type Best Products 2020, look at this one, Best Buy Express. There's that one. Let's find another one. Best Buy Express, still there. So we'll just go to Best Buy Express. Look at this. Okay? So the nice thing right here is they're just talking about a bunch of different products. So again, it just depends on what you want to create. Alright? So let's say, let's click on this one. Let's open this one up. Kind of just watch a little bit of it. Okay. So there's this person using this product, whether it's them or not, I have no clue. Okay, it's just a bunch of different things. Look at that. Okay, bunch of videos. Probably stuff they're pulling from AliExpress website. Product number 8. Cool. Another video, another video, another video. That's all it is. Okay? And you can make some money. Now, a lot of people think, oh, it's going to be a lot of work. It's not a lot of work, like I said. Okay? This is what you need. 20 images, 8 video segments, 2 similar songs or tracks. Put them all together using Adobe Premiere Pro. I know this is a little bit more complicated, and the first probably maybe 2 to 3 times of creating a video, you're going to think, oh, this is taking so long. But after you have done it a handful of times, it really is simple. Again, all you got to do is start putting the stuff together and make sure it flows correctly. If it does, you're going to see that you're going to get views, you're going to get subscribers, you're going to have people watching your video, but most importantly, you're going to get sales. So again, if you have any questions on any of this stuff, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.